So I just want to show you something here a little bit. So this is the Scratch interface. So this side you can see the codes. All these are the codes. We have the motion, the looks. If you go to the looks, you can see. Then if you click, you can click each. Here you can see I go down like this. So all these are codes. All these are codes. You can scroll down. Look at how I'm scrolling down. I'm putting the cursor there. So I'm scrolling down on these. Yeah, all these are codes. All these are codes. Then we have the costume, which we'll know how to use it later. Then you have the sound. See all those. So this is the Scratch interface. This is the Scratch interface, and these are the codes. So these codes will tell you maybe move one step, move two steps, all those things there. So take a look at those codes. They're very, very important. All these are the codes. Then it is this surface, this region. This is where you write your code. So like you bring this code, you see, I bring this code maybe, you see this one I'm pointing. So I bring it here. But the question is, how do I bring it? So look at my hands. I'm using a laptop. I still don't have my mouse. So if I'm using the laptop, the keyboard here is the same as the keyboard you have for your desktop there. So this one is called left click, and this one is called right clicking. So if I want to move this code, I want to move it to here, then I point at it, then look at my hand. One hand, that is one finger here, to hold the left click here. Look at this one, to hold this, and the other hand, you see, then I move. The other hand is just to move it. See how I'm moving it. I want to repeat that. So that you see. Here I'm pointing at this. See, my cursor, this thing which is moving is called cursor, is pointing there. Then one hand is pointing at that's the left clicking. Then I hold, look at my hand, this hand here is holding this, and the other hand, this other hand is moving the code here. So see how my hands are coordinating. So that one, I've moved that code there. So if I click it, that is if you click this one, if I click it, you can see the sprite, this one is moving. If I clicking means you on this part, you click like this. So you can see if I'm clicking the code there, it is the sprite is moving. So the code here is telling the sprite to move 10 steps. So it's telling